Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the starter rope in your chainsaw. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the chainsaw. Now remove the starter assembly from the saw. Now I'll pull the rope from the starter and tie a knot in the center of the rope. I'll pull the rope from the starter handle and untie it. Now I can remove the handle and I'll untie the knot that I tied previously. Now I'll allow the rope to recoil into the starter. This removes the tension from the spring. The rope is secured to the starter pulley with this screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can remove the rope from the pulley. And that's how you can access and remove the starter rope in your chainsaw.